His name was Ayatollah Sayyid Muhammad Hussein Gharawi Isfahani. Came from a very wealthy background. His father, very wealthy. He himself decided to become an alim, became a scholar. His friend says, I saw him one day in the bookstores behind the Haram Bazaar. It's called Bazaar of Huwaish. And with him he had a bunch of onions. These onions have fallen on the ground. He had them in the bag. It was torn apart, fallen on the ground. And I saw him picking up these onions, smiling. I said, why are you smiling? He said, the reason why I was smiling is because when I came to Najaf to start my studies, I was very wealthy. Because of that, there was some arrogance in my heart. I was standing once in the courtyard of Ali ibn Abi Talib with my tasbih. My tasbih was worth a lot. That's how wealthy I was. As I was going one by one, it broke. Pieces of the tasbih fell in the courtyard. People came, they were standing and waiting for me to see what I was gonna do, because every one of these pieces was worth money. But because of my arrogance, I didn't even bow down to pick up any of them. People came to me, looked at me. I said, if you want to take them, go ahead. People took them. He said, years later, today I was walking with a bag of onions in this bookstore. The bag of onions, it tore apart. The onions fell on the ground. And all of a sudden I saw it's so easy for me to get down on my knees and pick up these onions one by one. He said, this is why I'm smiling.